Log entry 1, October 14th. I finally made it to the trailhead. The money they offered for this, it was too good to say no.
But looking at this thing, I don't know. It feels like it's been waiting for me. Standing there like a skeleton against the sky. The hatch was unlocked, just like the ranger said. But the air coming from inside, it smelled stale. But the header said mandatory survival rules, not job rules, survival rules. And the first one is a joke, right? Do not acknowledge it. Weird phrasing. Anyway, it's 1:55 a.m. right now. I'm just gonna keep reading.
Rule 3, the radio is for receiving only. Do not transmit after sundown.
They listen to the frequency.
Wait, the generator just... Like the lights are flickering. It's not supposed to do that. It's almost 2 a.m.
Okay. I'm turning the lantern off, not because of the rules. Just to save fuel, that's all.
I see something. Rule 1. You have to be kidding me. I hear it right beneath me. Like fingernails on metal. 1, 2, 3. Go away! God. It stopped. Dead silence.
It's starting to rain. Great. That's gonna make hearing anything outside impossible. I need to sit back down.
The radio, it's up again. Someone is keying the mic on the other end. Just static, breathing.
I'm waiting. Come on.
Say it. Sky is blue. Just say the damn code.
A voice just came through. It sounded wet, like someone talking with a mouthful of water.
That's not the code. That is not the code. I pulled the plug. Killed the whole unit. Sky is dark? What does that mean? The rules didn't say anything about dark. It just said red or blue.
The trapdoor is bolted. Nothing can get up here without breaking it down. I'm safe. I'm high up.
Wait. Rule 6 is handwritten. It's scribbled in pen. If you hear your own voice calling for help from the woods, do not reply.
My own voice? Okay, now I know I'm being pranked. This is hazing. The guys at the station are messing with me. Shh.
Listen. Down there, near the base of the tower.
It sounds exactly like me. It's yelling, "Hey! Open up! It is cold out here!" That's my voice. That is my exact cadence. But I'm in here. I'm right here.
It's calling my mom's name now. How does it know that? It's screaming for my mother.
Rule 7. Just read the rules. Focus. Rule 7. If the mimic begins to climb the stairs, burn the sage bundle located in the emergency box.
The emergency box. Okay. Sage. Fire. I can do that. I just need to find the lighter. It's empty. There's nothing in here. No sage. No flares. Clang, clang, clang. It's on the stairs. It's coming up. And I have nothing to burn. The handle, it's turning. I locked it. I sweat I locked it. How is it turning? I'm blocking it. I'm putting the desk over the trapdoor. Come on, move, you piece of junk. Go away! I followed the rules! I didn't acknowledge you! Leave me alone!
It stopped.
"3 a.m., the witching hour. The rules said the lights have to stay off until 4. I have an hour left in the dark."
Are you serious? I'll just look at the floor. If I don't look at the glass, the reflection can't hurt me, right? Oh God! I saw it! I saw it move! I'm looking at the floor, but the reflection, it's looking at me!
Why is it smiling? I'm not smiling! Stop it! Stop looking at me like that!
It won't stick! The glass is wet. Oh, wait, the glass is wet on the inside? That's a handprint forming right now from the inside. That means... Show yourself! I know you're here! The rules said, don't look at the reflection. It didn't say the reflection stays in the mirror. My head suddenly feels heavy. Did the air pressure change? I can't read the rules anymore. The letters are moving. They're crawling off the page. I'm losing it.
Where did this tape come from? Watchman 4. That was the guy before me. He went missing.
If he left a message, maybe he knows how to survive the night. I have to listen.
It's in the light. Don't turn on the light.
The tape cut out. Don't turn on the light.
So either the paper is lying, or the dead guy on the tape is lying. One of them wants me dead. Which one? Whoa! Did you hear that? Something just brushed against the window on the outside. That's impossible. I'm 300 feet up. Nothing can brush against the window unless it's flying. Trees. Those are pine branches. How are there branches up here? The trees are supposed to be way down there.
The forest grew. Or the tower sank.
If I'm on the ground, I can leave. I can just run to the Jeep. I don't have to stay in this box. What is that? It's black.
Smells like...
Tar? It's coming up through the floor. The tape! It started again. I didn't touch it.
They are changing the height. Don't look at the trees. The trees are legs. The trees are legs.
Oh God. He's right. It's huge. If that's a leg, the thing must be miles tall. It's walking past the tower. It's moving! The whole tower is shaking! It's gonna tip over! It stopped. My watch says error. Time isn't working. I'm done with the rules. They didn't stop the tower from sinking. They didn't stop the giant. This paper is useless.
I found this in the desk earlier. If the rules are a trap, then I'm burning the trap.
Burn. Go on. Let's see what happens when I break the biggest rule of all, disrespecting the list.
Why is the smoke going down? Physics doesn't work here. Okay, paper is gone. Ash.
What the? Shutters? Since when does this place have blast shutters? Open up! Hey! You can't lock me in here! Let me out! Where is the door? The trapdoor, the wood is solid. It fused together. There's no way down. Wait, the wall. Why is the wall so far away? This room was 10 by 10. It's stretching. My stuff is gone. The radio is gone. It's just...
More cabinets? Filing cabinets?
How does this fit in the tower? Hello? Level -1? I was 300 feet in the air. How can I be at -1?
It's freezing. The handle burns, it's so cold. Okay. Anywhere is better than here.
A hallway. A concrete hallway.
Inside a wooden tower.
Sure.
Why not?
Nothing matters anymore.
The acoustics changed. Can you hear that? It sounds like a hospital. Or a prison. The door behind me, it's bricked up. I can't go back. I have to go forward.
Okay, logic check. Maybe the tower connects to an underground bunker? Maybe I took an elevator and didn't know it?
That's the tower, over there, burning. If I'm here, and the tower is there, then who is in the tower?
Someone is in there. They are waving at me. It looks like...
I'm dead. That's it. I died in the fire. This is hell. This hallway is hell.
There's something on the floor up ahead. Looks like trash? No, it's leather.
Boots. Just hundreds of left boots. No right ones. Just the left.
Property of Watchman 402. That's my designation. These are my boots. All of them.
The speaker system, it's turning on. The static is back.
Candidate 402, you have deviated from the path. Return to the testing chamber.
Testing chamber? No, I'm not a test subject. I'm a human being. I have to find the exit. There has to be stairs, a fire escape, anything. The floor is gone! It's eating the hallway! Run! Just run!
Open! 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 Damn you! I'm out. I'm outside. I can smell the pine.
Wait, my clothes. Why am I wearing this? Where is my jacket?
The tower. I'm back at the bottom. But the lights are on. Someone is up there.
That's my Jeep.
He can't see me. Rule 1. If you see a light in the woods, do not acknowledge it. I am the light in the woods.
I'm not the Watchman. I never was. My hands, they hurt. They're changing. I can feel the bark growing over my skin. No, stay back. Don't go up there. Leave him alone.
Run away! Moving on their own.
Subject 403 is hiding. He is following Rule 1.
But let's see how he handles Rule 6, the Mimic.
Hey! Hey! Open up! It's cold out here! Help me!
And then it resets. I'm back in the chair. The White Room.
They ask me what I learned. I tell them. I learned that the rules don't save you.
So I'll say what I always say. Maybe this time, he'll listen.
Log entry 1, October 14th. If you are listening to this,